Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, today we're doing an unboxing of the Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition. So, I am a fan of the optical switches from Razer. I actually like them better than a mechanical switch. Again, that's my opinion. Unfortunately, I was going to go with the full-size version, but Best Buy was sold out. And I said, let me go with the 10 keyless version. And the good thing about it as well with this keyboard is that you can disconnect it. So just in case if I want to do some college work or I'm in the middle class and want to take my notes, I don't have to do this anymore sometimes, which is annoying. So I can completely disconnect it and put it to the bed or whatever and do my work. But another thing I wanted to mention as well, that I was going to go with a wireless keyboard, but they are so freaking expensive. And the new Razer keyboard, the Black Widow version 3, they only had the clicky switches, which I didn't want to go with that. And also the keycaps are ABS. And I was like, okay, that's not even worth it. I would have been nice to kind of add on PBT caps instead, because I think those things will last a lot more longer. And same thing with Logitech as well. I was looking at Logitech, but then again, I said to myself, well, if what happens, one of those keycaps breaks, and then how am I gonna get that replaced? So I said I'm gonna go back with Razer. Plus, I was happy with it, but sadly, I regretted that I returned that keyboard. I should have not done that, but lesson learned. Let's unbox this baby right here. What I was thinking about doing was I was gonna change the keycaps from the black ones to the white keycaps, but I said nah, just leave it like that. It's perfectly fine. So let's open up this bad boy right here. Before I even continue doing the unboxing, let me put my phone into silent. That way I don't have to get interrupted. So you see at the back, gives more information about the keyboard itself and explaining to you about the optical switch from Razer. Again, this is the linear version of it, which is my favorite. I did have the Huntsman, the optical one that came with the purple switch, which is like a little bit more like a clicky sound, which I didn't like. So I didn't hesitate to return it. So I didn't, sorry, I'm a little bit off center. So I immediately returned it and then waited until they came out with this one. And I kind of like this, I'm excited, so let's see. Okay. Okay. For gamers by gamers, awesome. Ooh. So I'll show you right here. So of course right up here is your warranty information, user guide, and of course a little bit of thank you from Razer to thank you buying for their products. Ooh, I like this already. Ooh, this thing is light. And the cable should be here, which is USB-C. So it's nice as well. That's awesome. Hold on, let me get this out of the way. Get this out of the way. It was funny because I was looking at the mini version. I thought about it, but I was like, nah. Ooh, look at that. Put that to the side. Let's do a quick sound test. Oh, babies, I'm happy I got you back. Ooh. All right. So let's take out the cable. I have the cable inside the box still. Okay, ooh, nice. USB. And it is, ooh, I was right. USB Type-C, nice. USB. So that means if the cable's messed up, it's easy to replace. That means you don't have to automate the keyboard. You just buy a new cable and boom, you're back in business. But if your keyboard's messed up, then Yep. You know what that means. So I was organizing it. So I'm going to stand by over here. I'm going to connect it. Stay put, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I got the keyboard plugged into my system already. Everything's ready to go. This is I'm having a little bit of issues not detecting on the Razer Synapse software. I'm going to fix that once I'm done making this video. So any questions you guys want to ask, you already know what to do. Ask those questions down in the comment section. And I want to answer them as soon as possible. Until then, please be safe out there. I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.